The 2018 Dodge Challenger, rated most appealing midsize sport car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, stability control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, keyless start, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear view mirror, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, climate control. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.